Hello, my name is Jhonli and I'm 17 years old and I graduated in Colegio de Montessori in Naik, Cavite in a strand of STEM, which is uh, Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And my hobbies are I like playing games, playing sports, online games, something like that. And lastly is I like to spend my time with my friends. So, and the ethical dilemmas that I encounter is the part when I have to choose between pursuing CE and pursuing Edu. And I know that pursuing CE is my top choice back then, but I I have a feeling about the edu course back then too, but I still pursue uh, I still pursue the civil engineering course in first in perpetual, and now I can say that I'm in a national year right now. So maybe I'm taking the uh, best path right now for me. So that is the ethical dilemmas that I encounter in my first year.